Hello student, once again all of you are welcome in my YouTube channel Easy Chemistry. In last class we have completed a very important topic from atomic structure, and that was de Broglie's equation, and today I will talk about a very important topic, and that is Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle. Now let us try to understand what is Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle. According to this principle, it has been stated that whenever a particle like electron moving in a circular path, then its position and momentum could not be predicted accurately and simultaneously. यानी जब भी कोई पार्टिकल सर्कुलर पाथ में मोशन करेगा तो उसका पोजीशन और मोमेंटम एग्जैक्ट और एक्यूरेट तरीके से फाइंड कर पाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, एंड दिस इज द रीज़न it is known as uncertainty principle given by Heisenberg. So it is named as Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle can be represented in mathematical form like del x dot del phi greater equal h by 4 pi. Del x represent uncertainty in position and del phi represent uncertainty in momentum. So we can give the statement of this equation which was given by Heisenberg, that product of uncertainty in position and uncertainty in momentum is greater or equal to that of h by 4 pi. Now, momentum simply means product of mass and velocity, and it is represented by the symbol P. And it is quite interesting to note that in case of any object, mass always remain fixed, but velocity can get changes, and that's why change in momentum del phi is equal to m del v, where del v represent uncertainty in velocity. And now if we put this value of del p in the equation 1, we will have the equation like this, and that is del x dot m del v greater equal h by 4 pi. And by using this equation, it is our equation number 2, we can find out the uncertainty in velocity, and that is del v greater equal h by 4 pi m del x. H is the Planck's constant and m is the mass of the particle like electron. Now, limitation. This theory is only applicable for the micro particle, not for the macro particle. And now we will explain that why there is uncertainty in position and momentum. Suppose this is a particular circular path in which electron is revolving around the nucleus, and now if we want to find out the exact position of electron, we have to use electron microscope. And first of all, the light radiation strike with the micro sized particle, for example electron, and it get reflected back to the electron microscope, and we can see the exact position of the electron. Now, according to optics, to measure the accuracy of any object, we have to use shorter wavelength, and we know that energy is inversely proportional to the wavelength. So in case of shorter wavelength, energy will be maximum. And once the energy will be maximum, that energy will be quite sufficient to displace the position of the electron then expected with the change in the velocity, and so the momentum also get changes. And this is the reason that exact position and momentum of the particle, micro sized particle like electron, cannot be predicted accurately and simultaneously. I hope that this concept of Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle is almost clear to all of you. In our next class, we'll talk about a very important topic from atomic structure, and that is quantum number. Till then, thank you and goodbye.